guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. Today's episode is a very special one for me, and I know it will be for many of you out there. Danny was like a brother to me. We shared lots of great moments. He was a people person, he loved people, he loved entertaining. This was his fuel to life. He loved making people smile and laugh. This is who he was. Which brings me to 2005, when Danny invited all his friends over to come down and try his famous shrimp marinated in beer. Can't go wrong with that. The food was excellent. Everything was just perfect. Being with friends, his entertainment, his joy, his laughter. I was able to see Danny on his final days on earth. We got together, we talked. I basically let him know about the cooking show that we're doing, and I said, we're gonna get you out of here and we're gonna do your famous barbecue shrimp marinated in beer. He looked at me in the eye and said, if I don't make it, I want you to continue to do this recipe. Shrimp, black pepper, chicken broth. Something's missing. Where's the beer? Danny, being who he is, chuckled and laughed and said, there was no beer. That's Danny for you. And we're gonna make a very healthy meal. We're gonna make his shrimp recipe, as well as brown rice and sauteed veggies. And without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get this shrimp barbecue on. What we've finally been waiting for. The dish of all dishes. The most healthiest thing that we've created today. We've got brown rice, summer squash, and zucchini sauteed to perfection. And we've got Danny's famous shrimp recipe. I don't know about you guys, but let's dig in. Awesome. Perfect. It is just perfect. You could taste the garlic. It's right on par. And now, for the ultimate, what we've been waiting for this entire time. Grill the lemon, you squeeze the lemon, these juices come down like honey. It's amazing. And the taste is so much better. Exactly how I remember it. This meal is accompanied with mint-infused iced tea. Today's episode is for Danny, and I told him I would do this for him. Memory eternal, Danny.